METCO is one of Bokshan Group company. We were established in 1995, supporting multi-sectors by special security solutions. Our biggest national security program with the airports today, delivering integrated solutions, connecting all the security and operation system in one platform. That platform is supported by AI, which is first time is happening around the world, connecting 27 airports in one platform. So METCO participations, its role as a national Saudi company to supporting the Vision 2030 and localizing 50% of spent in defense and security. Our facility established in Riyadh Zone 2, over 10,000 square meters. We delivering and accelerate the transfer technology based on training Saudi engineer and technician to support all production assembly facility in Saudi Arabia. So METCO with this global partner delivering multi-approach solutions for defense and securities. One of them is the integrated screening system for the airports. One of them relating to defense against swarm attack by drones. The other one for CBRN sectors by identification and decontamination for the any threats that's happening. So for us, METCO, a Saudi company, WDS is a chance to connect and collaborate with the general sector, private sector, government entities, and finding a global partners, a new global partners to support the localization in future for another new projects might be needs in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I can say it's the best in the MENA. Multi-expertise from every sector is here, and is like a light in the Middle East for all the companies looking for business for future, collaborate with Saudi government or Saudi private sectors. We are proud, WDS 2026 and previous COBIS, and we are looking for future for more and more. This is the vision, inshallah.